Good afternoon, everybody. Larry Porter here, and I'm back once again. And in today's video, I want to talk about a travel agency website and how you can get your travel agency website. Okay, so if you're looking to become a travel agent and you're looking to start a travel agency and have your own website and everything, so listen up. I got some tips and advice. All right. So nowadays, we're in the future. Things is getting more and more easier now to do in startup businesses more than ever. So especially in the travel industry, pretty much all you need now is a travel agency website where clients can book vacation packages, vice versa, where you can book it for them. Okay, so you need a website that's integrated with all the vendors where you can do that. The question is, how do you get started? How do you even go about doing this? Well, the first thing I recommend, pretty much the only way I recommend, because it's cheap, is go through a home-based business opportunity. And the reason why I say that, because it cuts out most of the guesswork and the sites be done for you. Now, they are customizable, but guess what? All the integrating and things that you have to do behind the scenes is pretty much done for you. And it's very, very affordable to get started. So if you're looking to get into the travel agency business and get your own website, get with a home-based business opportunity. Okay. Now, the second thing you need to do is do your research and find out which opportunity to get with. Do your research. Find out one that best resonates with you. You know, now, my girlfriend, she is involved with one, and it works very, very well for her. You know, and this is the one that we recommend. You know, Planet Marketing. So do your due diligence, take a moment, research Planet Marketing. There's a link below this video in the description or within this video that you can watch a free presentation to learn more about Planet Marketing and how you can get started on your way to get a travel agency website and become a certified travel agent. Okay. And the reason why I recommend this company is because it's very, very affordable to get started and has all the bells and whistles, the training you need to become a certified travel agent, as well as walkthrough training on how to navigate your site and actually work and promote your site. Get started with a home-based business opportunity by watching the presentation below and learn more about Planet Marketing and how you can implement your own travel agency website. So I hope this video gives value. So click that link below or within this video, and me and Yamika will see you on the next page. All right. Happy marketing and be blessed. Bye-bye.